Yes, my dear friends, in this lesson we will learn about circuit diagram of our first project. So let's get started. Our connection diagram is quite simple, as you can see. Our LED diode has two different legs, so which is long one and also which is short one. These are the positive, so which is the long leg, and negative one, and which is the short leg. In order to control LEDs with our Arduino board, we need to use our digital pin lines. We will use digital pin line 2 for LED control. And also, you see here, our second digital pin connected with long leg of LED. Of course, it's also important to note that we need to connect the positive line of our LED diode to our digital pin line. Otherwise, our LED diode and Arduino board may be damaged. And you see we connected a 220 ohm resistor to the short leg of our LED diode. This is because the digital output voltage on the Arduino Uno board is 5 voltage. If we do not connect the 220 ohm resistors to our LED diode may run the risk of getting burned. Since we connected our resistor to the negative line of our LED diode, we connected the GND line on the Arduino to the idle leg of the resistor. Thus, we have completed the connection of the positive and negative lines required for the LED. Now that we have learned our circuit diagram, so now let's create and interpret our Arduino codes. So let's move on to our other lesson.